This is a simple program in BASIC that will plot a sine wave. Now, the problem with running this on a ZX80 is that it doesn't have the ability to calculate sine using a built-in function. It has to actually calculate it from scratch, and it's not particularly fast, but it gets the job done. Now what you'll notice is that when I press enter to run the program, the screen goes blank for a little while, and that is entirely normal for the ZX80 because while it's calculating, it's not able to generate a video signal. But as you can see, it plots a reasonably good looking sine wave, but it takes the machine a little while to do so. Other than that, it's actually very capable for its age. It first came out in 1980, so that would be what, over 40 years, just about 40 years ago. And this is an example that I built from a kit. I added a external ROM, or rather an external RAM module that uses a 62 RAM chip, and I also added, rather messily I'm afraid because I was just experimenting, a Kingston joystick interface so that I can play the flicker-free Kong and Pac-Man produced by Paul Farrow.